A Harris Journal report. The art of deciphering what symbols are representing is very difficult because trying to symbolize ideas leads to the opportunity for misinterpretation. I have found that most people in this field use symbols and translate them to words, but can sometimes forget that the same symbol can have different meanings depending on the context or order of the other symbols. Same way we use English, like to, and two. Ancient symbols have been interpreted to some people as fictional accounts of the imagination, and others believe these symbols tell a story of our historical record. It's easy to argue any one of these views, but if we look at them and remove the debate, you can open your mind to some very interesting ideas. In my study of symbols, I have come across many common ideas. I have found that the people who are using symbols to tell a story were telling a story of an extremely advanced state of human life that today we call normal, but based on our knowledge of their society, could only have seemed like science fiction to them. Some of the technologies and information left in these stories exist today and work exactly how the ancients said they would. It seems highly improbable for such primitive beings to have such a true, deep scientific understanding of the universe. A small list of some topics symbolically represented by ancients includes such topics as genetic engineering, advanced flight technology, advanced energy production, advanced weaponry, advanced astronomy and mathematics, and many more interesting subjects. The ancients explained that what we call magnetism, they were able to harness and use for construction purposes to help move massive stones. They explained how they were also able to harness magnetism and convert it into the force we call electricity. The most modern source of this information can be found at Coral Castle in Florida. Ed Leedskalnin left a small amount of information, but a lot of symbols to be interpreted. Ed tells a story very similar. He says that magnets and electricity are the same force. Extracting this force of magnetism and transferring it is the key to creating electricity. Were the ancients telling a fictional tale or describing a real-life machine? It is hard to know, but it is an extremely intelligent idea, and it seems that certain aspects of the story hold scientific ground. Looking at a shake flashlight, you realize that what they are saying may be true. If you can power a flashlight by simply moving a magnet back and forth through a coil, it's hard not to believe the ancients were telling us something about their source of power, and we are maybe interpreting some of their symbols wrong. Is electricity and magnetism the same force? How can we harness magnetism for our advantage? Why is there so little research into magnetism?